If you're gonna be in the video, you can't turn it to me, man.
There you go, I'm ready to be a guard, my boy.
This is from an Undertale AU.
Man,
Yeah, but which one? I think we knew that.
Story shift.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I know, I'm a virgin.
That makes sense.
Oh,
man has that
that's a
Teen
fucking
Titans
FNF.
Go tower in his fucking
That's
toilet.
fun.
You have to.
You're being a guard.
Oh, sweet baby.
You?
You sound like an 80-year-old woman.
You can either be D-class or security.
I'm meaning to sound like Johnny Bravo.
Who's Johnny Bravo?
The researcher.
I'm gonna-
Security researcher.
Tophat, Shroom, user, gangbang.
I watched that show a few times. I watched that.
Oh, so I found out how to contain 173. It was actually really fucking easy.
Are there
Oh,
actual
yeah, I know how it's by
SCPs?
not fucking opening the door.
Big black oily men shaking their cheeks in front of their face. That's right, shaking.
I so wish I was recording that.
I did.
It's really
I
fucking
recorded
good.
it. Fuck yo.
My phone's on
Yeah,
signal,
Tophat. Also,
doesn't
Tophat. I found Shy Guy.
What?
Meme, you
Said I
might
got-
want to leave.
Why? I love
I know
Shy
Shy
Guy.
Guy.
Shy Guy is the
Wait,
is the guy.
You
that
look
you're
at him and he has a
terrified
mental
of.
breakdown and you fucking
You
marks
know,
your ass.
zero
God,
You
nine
look at him.
six.
You look at him and he goes.
You hit the wrong button, didn't you?
Did they tell? Did
Welcome to of the SCP Foundation. You have been selected to participate in a program that allows death row. This is gay as fuck. Who are you?
Oh yeah, we were sentenced to death row. What were you sentenced to death row for?
Wait, I'm sentenced to death row.
Yeah.
I can roll the
We're
exp-
picking you up. Follow me.
Okay.
Oh fuck.
Fuck.
You closed the
I'm in for eating a baby.
Come on.
bro.
Why are so many
That's
people
apparently
being
what I
children?
did. I don't remember doing it. I just
I'm
remember
sorry. They
saying
just look
I
so
am-
squishy. I couldn't help myself.
I remember saying
I'm
I just the only thing I remember before it was in here
Cappy, you start recording.
is like
I already am.
a little bit of like I remember shouting
Beeps are
I am
recording
Meat
now.
Man
Beeps
and
are
eating
recording
a
now.
child.
Yeah,
I don't really remember doing it, but like
That's a flex.
You two are here for two
Alright,
reasons.
can, but
You ate a baby,
I don't remember doing that, but alright.
should he
and
be
you are just too stupid.
Honestly, that one's true.
Sentenced to death row for being a dumbass.
Why y'all wearing black?
Alright, we're just superior.
Why are you black?
You know, that's a really good point. What
German
is it
soldier.
tradition? Y'all always wear black around here, or like?
It's because
I don't
every
think we
day
go
there's a
there.
fucking.
Even you.
Yeah,
I put the new Forge.
I am.
Open up, baby girl. Ooh.
Jeremy died last week.
Who the fuck is Jeremy?
Guys, over here,
Who's Jeremy? I wasn't even in here last week.
Jeremy.
Bro, he died.
Did he have a child?
Guys, I can't get out. Guys, I can't get.
Top hat. $10.
I don't think I want to go in there.
We're not going in there. We're not going in there.
Where's the
Funny.
fellow D
Kiss it.
class?
We don't have the funding.
Yeah.
You can fund these
Funding?
nuts in
This
there.
is like
We're
a-
not going in there.
Right here, this. We're putting
Do I
this
go in
in
that,
here.
or like?
No, nobody go in
No,
there.
no, 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 no.
Oh,
Cappy, Cappy.
no.
No.
It's my masturbation
See what
cell.
we
Let
get
me
back, girl.
in.
Doesn't one of them need to go in to like test it?
Shut the
No.
fuck up. Then why are we here?
It's giving birth. It's giving birth. It's giving birth.
I'ma eat it.
What?
Just push, baby. Fuck you. Come on, baby girl.
Wow, no one was in
That's
it,
the
so therefore
Monopoly
it
board game.
produced fucking nothing.
Y'all down for some Monopoly?
Oh yeah.
Cappy, get the fuck
Well,
out.
Sit down.
I want to be
Why don't we
transported,
put the Monopoly thing in there?
Get out of here.
please.
What happens if we put the Monopoly board in there?
It's gonna give you
No,
a heart
no, no,
attack.
hey,
Get
hey,
the fuck out.
We're having a heart attack together with our Monopoly.
Totally now.
No, I didn't get to say the.
What are you selling? You're selling crack? Boom. 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 Let me out. Let me out. Wait, this is a Monopoly. Am I about to get railed in the ass or something? What the fuck's going on? Gun.
Yup, I knew it.
Hello.
I knew it. I knew it.
You were sucking someone's dick. You were right. I guess I owe you 10
she was
bucks.
giving free head out here. God
Wait, what?
damn! How much?
Wait, what?
Mr. Scientist
Brother,
researcher,
that
sir, I don't
escalated
think
so
that's
goddamn
very
quickly.
appropriate. Just give me a few more
Nah, it's
seconds.
fine.
Give me a few more
hey,
seconds.
user. Oh.
Give me.
Hey, user. What the fuck? There's 2 users. What
Why is he
the
pink?
hell?
Hey, Pedro.
Fuck Pedro.
Yeah, it's
Attention,
gonna
like the
go.
thing that he wants.
I was funny.
No! Oh, shit.
Why can't I open this?
Are you okay?
Why can't I? No. Well, the only other way is go to SCP-173, so, I prefer fuck regardless.
Boom, 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 boom.
I'm not opening that.
Please?
Oh, my ankle. Ah.
Brother, are you fucking his butt? Fucking dick. Shroom went and fucking booked it. Shroom just went hell no, and just fucking went down over Shroom.
Oh, my ankle.
Are you
Oh, my
okay?
ankle.
You need me to kiss it?
Yeah, because my ankle. Oh my god, miracle. It actually feels better.
Fuck. I swear, me man's having sex with SCP-173, I'm gonna fuck a butt.
What?
Maybe if you say this recording's ass, you're no. I swear to God.
I'm gonna shove a cactus up your ass. Compilation of ass, I guess. I don't know, bro.
How much you want to bet Tophat is making out with SCP-173?
Please.
Bro, it's actually
Some nice
Stop resisting! Stop resisting! Stop resisting! Stop resisting! Stop resisting! Can I get in?
What? That's it.
Stop resisting! 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 Stop! Nobody can save me.
Anyways.
Resist! Oh, hey!
Wait,
hey.
stop.
Over, Capi, I smell you.
Tabby, are you recording?
Yeah,
Tophat, it's $30
Apparently.
that you won't make out with SCP-173.
I would.
By that, I mean with tongue French kiss and shit.
Oh.
Awesome.
I put the new forges on the Jeep.
Wait, no, wait a minute, wait a minute.
Fuck off, let me grab my gun.
Stop. Grab your dildo and leave.
This building. I've been here for like.
He's grabbing his gun, you gay fuck!
Whopper, Junior double. I'm sorry. Oh, that took a lot of my.
It's a gun! This room.
We made it.
that's really something.
No, that one's Keter. That one's Keter. We can't test on that one.
Peter?
This is where the
That's Keter.
invincible lizard
What's
was.
up here?
Afraid.
Ooh, sunglasses.
Oh, these are sunglasses.
Hell yeah! I need
Oh,
my
yeah.
3D glasses for the
Sunglasses?
Mario movie.
Hell yeah.
No, let me do it. Let me do it. Let me do
Don't
it.
worry, guys.
Okay,
Don't worry, guys. I got
everyone,
this. I got this.
I want to put on the glasses.
You have glasses.
We need level
I
3
walk around
access,
the glasses.
dumbass.
Everyone
You're
except
right.
user.
No.
No.
The Last of Us?
Oh my
That looks like a battle pass. That's what I'm saying.
Now, this is where we leave.
Let's run. I don't remember what I did to get in here, but we gotta go. Fuck. Run.
Oh shit! Oh shit! They know.
We can't go that way.
If I believe.
Every man for themselves.
Okay, I'll go to Capi.
Goddamn man.
Really? You went to the wrong room and just sort of.
I'm dead.
No, you're not. Get
Dead
up.
noises.
No, get up.
I'm dead though.
Who the fuck's making dead noises?
Get up.
I didn't run.
No.
I swear I saw a child.
Shoot her in the leg.
No.
I don't
No.
think you
Shoot
should
her in
do
the leg.
that.
Color stupid.
No. No.
Shoot her in the leg. Color dumb.
Hurry, run, go, go. We weren't trying to escape. Because you're a terrible
Bro, you were right.
person.
I'm a terrible person, or they're a terrible
You're not,
person?
no, not you. You're fine.
Okay.
Where? Time for SCP-173.
Well, yes, have some great piss.
We're all gonna observe, alright? This is what we don't need to hold. What was
Women.
this? I can't pick up here.
Nothing but I forgot.
Alright,
Where's the
Cappy, go through
Demonic shadows.
Don't make
demonic shadows? That explains no.
I want to go in.
Sorry, bro,
What?
not my fault.
We're going in.
Go in.
Alright.
Door open. Okay.
It's meant to be.
Hey, I think you should, like,
Fuck, I did not mean to do
Probably.
that.
Woman?
bro, is that Susan Wojcicki?
Owie. Owie. Owie.
Turn on the light.
Oh, I'm dying.
That sucked complete ass. Guess I have to make it to school.
Thanks
Oh, give me my
for the
gun back.
man.
Thank you.
All right.
Who is that? Ah! No dick, no balls. Piss off!
Cappy.
Fuck. Call me that quiet kid!
Hey,
Raise your hands, bitch!
hey. Oh, should we?
Ah, well.
How do I make money?
Let me see that again real quick.
How do I make money?
Yeah. No, give us the gun. You're in timeout. You're in timeout. You're in timeout. We're taking it away. You're in timeout. Yeah, honestly, I'm pretty sure we should be shooting
Oh,
that.
sheesh. You're shit at shooting. Yeah, no.
Cappy. Can I have the gun?
Oh, you know you can gas the cells?
Oh, okay.
Please.
Yes.
Okay.
Alright, y'all, come on. Come on.
Bro, let me pick
I thought Pedro was his.
if you suck enough dick.
I'm gonna act like I did not hear that.
Cappy,
What the
fuck?
Why did it say
Demon, why you sound like you're speaking inside a toilet right now? Let's
Alright.
not go this way.
Alright, Cappy. Send Cappy in. Demon, you guard the outside. Demon, you guard out here. I said out here, you duck fuck. Alright, Meme, you also guard out here. Tophat, get in.
Oh, I can finally live my I can finally be a stripper. Yo, I think you put the wrong SCP in here. Oh shit.
Meat man is not hungry right now.
Why you got too much meat in your mouth?
Alright, get in. Get in. Doors are opening now. Get in.
Nice ass, bro.
Hey, look in that direction for me. Damn.
D&D classes and one useless security guard. I think we have enough people. Oh, Cappy. Oh.
Shroom?
Don't get raped.
What's happening? Oh, hell.
Shroom, hold my gun! Shroom, hold my gun! Shroom, hold my gun! Hold my gun!
Keep your eyes on it.
Well, don't you look nice today?
I'll be right back. I'll be right back.
Hell no.
Nice ass, bro.
Who's gonna kill me? This guy? Is he gonna kill me? He's in a cage!
Nice ass, bro. Oh damn.
Yeah, that's well, huh?
I'm not recording because it glitches the shit on my headset.
If you want to see what they do.
I grew the miners. I grew the miners. I grew the miners. I really don't want to fucking do this.
He emptied his pocket.
I really don't want to fucking do this.
Do I have to?
Let's send Meme in. Let's send Meme in.
It'll be fun.
Meme. Do it.
No,
for
no,
the
you're
video.
gonna have a
It's
great
for
time.
content.
Just
It's
think
for
of-
content. Alright, it's for content.
Just think of lollipops.
Ah,
Think of
not this room.
lollipops
Just think of lollies?
making out
It's
with
for the
little
content.
kids. Yeah,
Think of
just
lollies, right?
lollies.
I top. Okay, Meme, go in. Meme, go in. Go in.
I'd honestly rather suck my own ball sack.
Go in.
No, go in.
Now.
Go in or
Shut
I will kill
the
you.
fuck up! Listen.
We killed
Fuck, he's nutting.
Demon. Or no, we killed Demon. And I'm
died?
not going in there. He's not going in there. He's not going in there.
Hey! Shroom never
You're
agreed or
going.
disagreed!
Yeah, no, I don't want to go in.
Fuck you, Shroom!
You know what?
What if I disagree then?
I'll go in. I
Oh,
can't
if you go
open
in,
the
I'm gonna
door.
kill you.
Everyone else disagreed already.
I'm gonna die either way.
Raise your hand.
No,
Raise your hand if Meme's gonna go in. Raise your hand if Meme goes in.
Hey, baby girl, can I get your number?
Get in.
I don't think Shy Guy's supposed to speak English.
Can I have a staring contest?
Wait, if I look through the wall.
Brother, I would not even smoke weed with this dude!
Walk up to the text.
I hate the fact that you both said that in unison! I am not walking up to him! Thank you!
If you won't, I will. Yeah, baby. Let's
Well then I'm gonna have to be in the cage to see that.
Well, fine. I'll go in with you.
Go.
I looked at his face.
Ah! My dick! Ah!
I didn't look at his
I don't
face.
see
I don't know
him.
why he killed me.
Wait, is he not following us? Did he go back in?
Probably.
He
Let's
probably
go.
killed someone and then he
Let's do it
immediately.
again.
My cock hurts! Oh fuck.
Guys, do not open that door.
Do not look behind me, do not look behind me! This is like that movie called like Don't Look or whatever, don't say, I don't remember what it's called. Do not look behind me! It's called the Bird Box, I think. I'm gonna go make friends with SCP-999. Fuck! Ah! Fuck you, fuck your mama, fuck you, dick. If if they followed you, I'm just looking at this wall. You know what?
Nah, Harry died. I just teleported back.
Did he follow you?
No, where is he? Is he over here still? Oh, Capi, Demon! You guys have sex. Come over here. Come on.
Yay! Finally!
Yeah, what the fuck?
We lost Tophat. We looked at SCP-096.
Take off the mask.
Fuck off!
Yeah, that's right. Don't get near.
Hell, why, you bitch?
Not here.
Guys, one of us is
I
gonna have to
don't care.
warm out because we need to get back in there. Run! I'm not looking. Fuck, where's Tophat? Oh my! Ah! Fuck you!
I'm sorry.
If you can't tell,
Do you know where the others are?
I told them to look at SCP-096 because we need to get to the area. It turns out the area that he was at was, it was his cell, so we did not even need it. Yeah, they definitely died for nothing.
Yeah, let's just like go back there and not look at him. Fuck! Run!
Back up.
You can't shoot him. He.
Come on! Oh fuck! I looked at him! I so definitely looked at him! I mean, no I didn't. I can't see my... Fuck, bro. These fucking... The fuck? Sorry, he's not.
Yeah, he's still there.
I didn't even look at you.
You bumped into him.
Look at you.
Hey there. Why'd you eat my pants?
It's for survival.
Hi there, I'm just gonna be here real quick. I'm just gonna steal this right here. Alright, good night everybody.